Come to share with you some more journals that I've made, and these are all Christmas themed journals, and they're all blank, so they're ready to decorate. I have got 4 of them, as you can see. They're all various different sizes, but they all have 100 pages inside, front and back. I've got a traveller's notebook and this one, and we have 2 of these which I think roughly are the same size. So I'm going to start with this one here, and I'll give you the measurements of that, and obviously they will be listed in my shop. 7.5 by 5, and I've just haven't put a closure on, but I've just tied some red organza ribbon around here. I've used some designer cardstock, which the leftovers I've put pockets on the insides, and these images are from ARTYmaze. This one is Merry and Bright. I think there's 2 Merry and Brights and 2 Deck the Halls. So done some stenciling on the inside, as you can see, put some tabs on as well, and like I said, they are blank, so just ready to decorate. And I've got I'm preparing to do a big hard covered journal, and I'm not sure whether I'm going to do that blank or I'm going to decorate it. I'll just see how I feel when I get it done. So the main pages are from Nectar's Creations. So we'll just do a quick flip. We've got paper bags. These are from Tsunami Rose. I can't remember where I got them, but it was on Etsy. And we've got the tabs. So, and if you're looking for ideas on how to decorate, I have a playlist which will be below, and I've got lots of videos showing you how to make some pockets and tags and things like that. And obviously you would just adapt that to your Christmas theme. This should be a very quick video because there's not a lot going on apart from the pages. I mean, can you believe that Christmas is actually just around the corner? You know, last month I was thinking, oh, it's ages away. Now I'm thinking, whoopsie, need to start. This again measures the same, I think. Yeah, 7.5 by 5, and again it's just got the organza ribbon. This is the cardstock that I've used, again sewn onto coffee dyed cardstock, and then I've just made pockets there and here. Image again is from ARTYmaze, and this one is Deck the Halls. Again, this is from Nectar's Creations. Yeah, so like I was saying, it's last month I just thought, oh, we've got ages to go, and now I'm starting to panic with lots of grandkids and lots to do. Don't even know what we're doing at Christmas yet, but it does come round quick. Again, there's tabs on this as well. I love that image. And there we have that one. Then this one here, and this measures 8 inches by 5 1/4. I can't remember what pages are inside this one now. This is from Tsunami Rose, and again we've got the pockets inside. The image again is from ARTYmaze, and this is just a dark green. Tabs on the edge. The paper bag. I love these vintage Christmas papers. So all the details will be on each one, listed in my shop, and these are relatively cheap. Well, they are cheap, I think. So that is that one, and then we have the Traveller's Notebook sized one, which measures 8 1/4 by, I think this one is, yep, 4 1/2. One signature again, same amount of pages. I've used this, it's actually got like a texture to it, a slight texture, and I can't remember where that, I think it was out of a Christmas pad. I was searching through all my cardstock looking for Christmas papers for the covers, and I only found a few, but I did like this one. Image again is from ARTYmaze, Merry and Bright. Pockets on the inside covers, and this is, again, this is ARTYmaze. So it's the same kind of papers, just obviously different sizes. And this is called Cardinal something or other. Can't remember now. So if you're looking for any of these kits, it's ARTYmaze, Tsunami Rose and Nectar's Creations. They are all on Etsy. So there we have them. So 4 of these listed in my shop if you're interested. The links will be below, and if you have any questions, just ask. Bye.